think, Rev? Yeah, I think so too. Let's get back to home.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm here with Nightshade. Today we are doing a video on the befores and afters between the stock and the S&B Cold Air Intake. See if it does any gains or things according to our butt dyno. This isn't an install video, so if you want an install video, check out americantrucks.com and also use the instructions in the box. With those two, I figured it out just fine. It's a pretty easy install. So let's get on with the video. I'm Rev. You're watching Revolution 7000 on YouTube. Let's go. we just got back from testing that S&B Cold Air Intake, guys, and I do have to say it does increase the performance of the truck. The Silverado behind me is, when you try to punch it during stock, the pedal response just isn't quite there, guys, but this S&B does definitely help. If you notice the difference between my before and your stock Silverado now, I do have to admit that the cold air intake is not getting anything done to this truck. I do have a Corsa Performance Sport exhaust on the back of it, but that's about it. There's nothing else done to the truck, guys. I do hope this video helped, like I said. I'm sorry that it wasn't a instructional video on how to put it together, but when I was going through YouTube, I did notice there was a lot of them. So, like I said, check out American Trucks. Make sure you read the directions, and it does help with performance. I'll catch y'all next time, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. Peace.
Some very good news. Along with what this video is about, we also have received our lift kit. So our lift kit is actually here in-house. So we're good now. We don't have to sweat bullets that it's not coming.